Hi everyone! In this video, we'll be adding a stroke to an image in Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First, make sure you've got your image ready on the timeline and that it has a transparent background. Now, head over to the Effects panel. In the search bar, type Paint Bucket. Once you find it, drag and drop it onto the image in your timeline. Next, with your image layer selected, go to the Effect Controls panel. Scroll down until you see the Paint Bucket effect settings. In the settings, change the fill selector to Alpha Channel. This makes sure the stroke is applied to the edges of your image. Then, switch the Stroke setting to Stroke. You should now see the stroke appear around your image. If you want to adjust the stroke size, look for the Stroke Width option and increase or decrease it to your liking. To change the stroke color, click on the color box and pick whichever color you want. White works great, but feel free to get creative. And that's it. You've successfully added a stroke to your image in Premiere Pro. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.